Hi everyone, let's continue our Betting Toolkit video course, and in this video we'll look at an overview of the market window. This window could be considered one of the most important part of the software, as it allows you to quickly place bets on the book of a given market, which is the central purpose of Betting Exchange software. It should be noted that the program has two main modes of operation: an automatic mode for implementing your strategies through the automation tool. But an equally important mode is as a trading interface, allowing you to place trades directly on the market. In this manual mode, the market window is the cornerstone of this application. First, let's look at how to access the market window. We mentioned this in the previous video. You can access it, for example, through the Quick Pick window. Once you've found the market you're interested in, you can click the button in the first column of the market table or double-click on the table row to open the market window. It's actually possible to access a market window even when viewing a favorites list, a market filter search result list, or the market monitor table, always by double-clicking the row corresponding to the market. The list of open market windows is shown in the Markets menu of the main window. This menu appears when you open the first market window. From this menu, you can see how many market windows are open and close them all with a single command. But let's get back to analyzing the market window. This window offers so many features that it's actually composed of several modules that can't be fully described in a single video. Let's start with an overview and then delve into each individual section. Furthermore, don't be intimidated by the sheer number of controls available. The window is configurable, and you can disable any options you deem superfluous, even reducing the market window to just a ladder or grid. At the top of the market window, the title features an icon that informs us of the sport related to the event and another of the country of the event, while the title indicates the competition, the event, the start time, and the market. Below the title bar is a button bar that allows access to various market-related features. The Market Window Options button opens the Options window directly to the Market Window tab. Next, there is an indicator of the market's in play status, where the green arrow indicates that the market is in play, the gray arrow indicates that the market will be in play, and the red arrow indicates that the market is available for trading only in the pre-match phase. The Monitored Markets button allows you to quickly switch between monitored markets. The Bets button toggles the area where your bets on this market are displayed. The Market Cancel Bets button is very useful because it allows you to cancel bets placed on the market on any selection with a single click. The button for applying automation strategies, the Multiple Bets and Dutching buttons open specific windows that provide access to features that allow you to bet on multiple selections at once. Other buttons open statistics and video windows where this data is available, graphs, and selection details. This last button opens a window displaying all selections in a compact table view. In the top right, when bets are placed on the market, a cash out button appears, allowing you to cash out the entire market. In soccer-related markets, immediately below the button bar is a timeline graph showing the progress of the match, specifically goals scored, cards, substitutions, and match time. Below the timeline is the results bar, which displays the match result, match time, and yellow and red cards. This results bar is available for soccer, tennis, and basketball. In soccer events, ball possession is represented by this bar beneath the team names. Holding the mouse over it will display a tooltip indicating the precise value of possession for each team. Below the results bar is the probability bar, which shows the probabilities of the market outcomes based on the current odds. The outcomes are shown in order from most likely to least likely. Please note that in Betting Toolkit, each possible market outcome or market selection is characterized by a different color, which is found in the probability bar, the grid, and the ladder. These colors are fully customizable in the program options. For horse racing events, the colors used are the actual colors of the stall cloth when this data is provided by Betfair. Furthermore, images of jockeys' silks are also displayed when available. Continuing with the analysis of the window in the center, we find a series of pages containing the operational part of the market window: grid, ladder, trader scope, pending betting tables, market event log, predictor, and so on. The displayable pages can be set in the options window if you wish to limit the pages displayed to simplify the interface. Each of these pages can be separated from the market window, which can then be broken down into its parts, for example, to display some of them on a second monitor if available. To separate the pages, simply click on the corresponding tab and drag the mouse a short distance while holding down the left button, or double-click on the tabs to obtain the same result. Closing the window will return the page to the original market window. The market window itself can also be detached from the main window, allowing it to be moved to another monitor. For example, this can be done by clicking this button in the top right. To return the market window to the main window, simply close it. At the bottom, there is a status bar containing some market statistics and other buttons for adding the market to favorites or the market monitor, centering ladders, sorting them according to a specific criterion, and saving the window log to a text file. The data in the status bar is also configurable. The program allows you to open multiple market windows simultaneously and operate them with particular ease if you have multiple monitors available. It should be noted, however, that the market window is complex and difficult to follow multiple markets in all the detail it offers. It's usually useful to use its full version when focusing on one or two markets. If you need to follow multiple markets, for example, to apply specific strategies to them, the recommended tool is the Market Monitor, which allows you to monitor numerous markets arranged in a single table. We'll also dedicate a dedicated video to the Market Monitor. An interesting alternative for following multiple markets is to use the simplified market window. To do so, go to the icon in the top left for the sport type and right-click. For example, by choosing the ladder or grid view, the market window will be reduced to just the trading controls, making it particularly compact. By detaching it from the main window, you can arrange multiple market windows on the screen. In this case, it's particularly useful to use the controls in the top right to keep the market window always in the foreground. When the market window is fully displayed, right-clicking on an empty area allows you to hide some of the previously described areas, the button bar, time bar, result bar, etc. In essence, the market window's appearance is completely configurable to suit your needs. That's all for this video. Remember to follow us and to like this video if you want to support us. See you in the next episode.